Hello. A mixed week for oil, but Brent has closed higher compared to last Friday, whilst gas and electricity contracts have been bearish. So let's take a look at the week's actions in some more detail. Oil prices rose on Monday as market participants speculate that US interest rates will be cut in December in light of weak US job market data. Brent fell $0.50 per barrel on Tuesday as Ukraine signalled the terms of a potential peace deal might be acceptable. The deal may lead to sanctions against Russia being lifted, and with the market already being oversupplied, the news pressured prices lower. Prices then edged higher on Wednesday, with market participants awaiting further news of the peace deal negotiations. Prices rose in spite of the weekly EIA report, which showed an increase in US commercial stocks of 2.8 million barrels. Brent rose again on Thursday as market fundamentals were largely unchanged. Last night, front-month Brent closed at $63.2 per barrel, which is up $1.21 compared to last Friday. Prices eased on Monday as temperature forecasts were revised upwards for the next 2 weeks. Discussions surrounding Russia and Ukraine's peace deal further pressured prices lower. The peace deal discussions dominated price movements on Tuesday and all contracts eased. And in contrast to oil, gas prices continued to ease on Wednesday. Healthy supply and demand pressured prices lower, with ample LNG heading to Europe and the UK amid weak Asian demand and strong US exports. Prices fell throughout Thursday with healthy supply-demand fundamentals once again pressuring contracts lower. And last night, all curve contracts closed lower compared to last Friday. Summer 26 closed at 68.67 pence per therm, down 2.7 pence, whilst winter 26 closed at 75.5 pence per therm, which is down 2.5 pence per therm. Bearish gas directed power prices lower throughout Monday's session. Near-term contracts held their value on Tuesday as wind generation was expected to fall well below the average for the time of year. However, curve contracts fell, taking direction from gas. The majority of power contracts eased on Wednesday, tracking the movements of gas. However, some support was seen on the front-month contract. Prices were directed lower on Thursday by their gas counterparts once again. And last night, all curve contracts closed lower compared to last Friday. Summer 26 closed at £68.5 per megawatt hour, which is down £1.4. And winter 26 closed at £76.4 per megawatt hour, down £1.45 per megawatt hour. You can download the full version of this market report from our website. Thanks for watching. See you next week.